Hello Aquarius, welcome to Clagent Tarot. We are doing a quick check-in today on mid-month. This is your mid-month reading for August. We'll be looking at the overall energies for you at this point, and we'll also be looking at any advice from Spirit or Universe for you regarding the energy or situation that comes up. And we'll close off the reading with a couple of oracle decks, right? So let's get started. Let's see what the energy is for you. If the first card out is the King of Swords, you might be gaining clarity on something you might have been thinking about or learning about something for a while, and you have reached a place where you know very clearly on what you want to do in that situation. All the information or things that you need to do or take action are available to you. We also have the Hierophant and the High Priestess. Okay, interesting. They're almost like a power couple or soulmate energy to me as a reader, with the High Priestess and the Hierophant. This might be relating to a relationship, a very deep soul connection for you guys. I think this situation is more regarding something that you have been unclear for a long time of finding balance and stability in life. This can be, like I said, a relationship, a major relationship for those seeking it, or it can also be something related to your work, since this does bring stability as well, right? There is an energy of both happiness, joy, and abundance here, which underlies. So, depending upon what fits your situation, take it. But there was some things which you were not very clear on, or you were probably you did not have the complete information. With this King of Swords, you're gaining that clarity, or it's almost like you now know what all you needed to know to take that decision or that step forward in your life, and it is going to lead you into a very happy and abundant place. It will also bring balance to your life. So if some of you have been feeling off balance, where things have been really throwing you off, you might have had too many changes at the workplace, you might have had a lot of breakdowns in the home, a lot of repair work. So anything which has been keeping you kind of making you run around a lot, that energy is kind of going away. Let's see what we have as advice for you. Looks like a good reading, Aquarius. It's one of the, I think, best readings so far in terms of energy. Let's see. The advice for you is persistence, 9 of Wands, 8 of Swords, do not overthink things, and 5 of Swords. Okay. So this is a very clear energy of self-deception and self-sabotage. You are probably spending, now that you have, even though you have the clarity and you have the information, you are probably over-analyzing things, getting into an analysis paralysis kind of a situation. You're thinking to an extent where you're staying up at night, not, and in all that overthinking, you're losing sight of what you actually wished for or desired, right? So stay away from self-deception and this overthinking energy. Journey so far for you has been a little difficult. There has 9 of Wands is also a wounded warrior energy, where you are tired of fighting through things, but it's just one step away from the 10 of Wands, right? It's just like you have to go that little extra from where you have come, and you'll find the whole happiness and abundance that this energy is bringing in. So the message is to not give up at this point of time, and not create scenarios in your head which do not exist. So let's see what the Oracle of the Fairies have for you. What's the message from the fairies for you? So Aquarius, we have shine from within for you. Looks are only skin deep. True beauty shines from within, and it's time for you to shine. This is time for self-acceptance and revealing your true beauty. So in case your anxiety has been around not being accepted, and especially if it's in context of a relationship that you have been thinking about, I think you need to think beyond the opticals of a situation and believe in yourself. We all have our own strengths and things that differentiate us. You need to believe in those and, you know, play to those and not worry about what you do not have. We have another card for you from the Moonology deck. It says balance, spirituality, and practicality. Full moon in Pisces. So, whatever is getting initiated with this energy here might come to fruition in about 3 months for you. So, keep that in mind, especially if you are seeking a relationship, or even if it's work related, where you are finding that right fit of a workplace for you, or if it's business, you're finding the perfect partner to, you know, scale your business, or finding that perfect client which can help you grow. Then all that is almost like things will start happening, but they will take shape around 2.5 3 months from now. So that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Do let me know how this resonated with you in the comments below. Also, help by liking or subscribing to the channel so that I get to know you're liking my content and more content can reach you. That's all I have for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.